Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model Y steering rack failure and what could be causing it based on verified information. In certain Tesla Model Y vehicles, steering rack-related issues have been documented where steering effort may increase or power steering assistance may be reduced or lost. When this occurs, the steering system remains mechanically connected, but the vehicle can become harder to steer, especially at low speeds. This condition does not affect all Model Y vehicles and has been linked to specific production periods rather than the entire model range. Verified information shows that one documented cause involves steering rack fasteners that may not have been secured to specification during manufacturing. If these fasteners loosen over time, the electric power steering rack may not function as intended, leading to reduced or inconsistent steering assist. This condition has been addressed through recall and service actions limited to defined build ranges. The issue is related to assembly quality rather than a universal design defect of the steering rack itself. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Software-related behavior has also been reviewed in connection with steering alerts, but verified information indicates that steering rack failure cases in Model Y are primarily hardware-related. As a possible contributing factor, road vibration or repeated stress could accelerate loosening in affected vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Corrective actions described in verified service information include inspection of the steering rack assembly and securing or replacing affected fasteners as required. In recall-related cases, Tesla service centers have been instructed to verify proper torque and perform corrective work where necessary. Continued operation without inspection is not recommended when steering warnings or increased effort are present. Reviewed information indicates that this issue is limited to certain Model Y production periods and does not occur across all vehicles. Some affected vehicles may show warning messages before noticeable steering changes, while others may experience increased steering effort first. Vehicles outside the identified build ranges are not documented to share the same risk. In conclusion, Tesla Model Y steering rack failure has been linked to specific manufacturing-related conditions involving steering rack fasteners rather than a widespread steering system defect. The issue varies by production period, and resolution depends on proper inspection and verified service action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.